Hello and welcome to the fourth video of section 3, Managed Services. So now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about the various services, and then I will also explain you about these services. So you need to open Kali Linux operating system, and then I'm going to show you how you can manage various services using terminal. So now I'm here at Kali Linux operating system. So first of all, let's talk about the password of Kali Linux, that how you can change the password of Kali Linux using terminal. So the by default username and password is root and tour. So TWR is the password of Kali Linux. If you want to change the password of Kali Linux, how you can do it? It's very easy. You can open the terminal of Kali Linux, and inside this terminal you need to type PASSWD. PASSWD is the password. Hit enter. Now you can see that it is asking you to enter the new Unix password. So you can type any password. For example, the password is root ROOT. Hit enter and then ROOT. Hit enter. So now it is showing me that the password is unchanged. I think we have done a mistake. So let me type again passwd. Now I can type ROOT, and here it is. So you can see here that now password updated successfully inside Kali Linux operating system. So my new password is root. It was TWR and now it is ROOT. So that's how you can change your current password of Kali Linux operating system. You can also back to the old one. If you type PASSWD and then you can enter that previous password, you can go back. You can also change the full name of Kali Linux. How? It's very easy. For example, you can type here chfn full name. We are changing full name and hit enter. Now you can see here that changing the user information for root. Enter the new value or press enter for the default. So you can type, for example, ROOT, hit enter. The information you want to provide about the user, right? Anything. Hit enter and here it is. So you have also changed the information about your user, right? Now, for example, root is the user. If you want to create another user, how you can create it? So to create a new user, you can type add space user space the new name, for example, Sunil or anything else. For example, user is the, hit enter. So do one thing, just remove the space between add user. Now hit enter. Now you can see here that it is asking you the Unix password. So we have recently changed the Unix password. So my Unix password is root ROOT. Enter. Again retype the new password ROOT. Hit enter. Enter the full name. Again you can type my name Sunil. Room number, phone number. Hit enter. Home for others. Is this information correct? Type Y and hit enter. You have successfully created a new user inside Kali Linux operating system. So basically these all are the basic information about services. Now I've cleared the terminal. So for example, if you want to start Apache server inside Kali Linux operating system, that you can do it easily. You can also start Python server. For example, if you want to start Python server, so you can type here Python -m simple HTTP server. Python space -m space simple HTTP server, and simple HTTP server is case sensitive, so you need to take care about capital and small letters here, and then you can hit enter. So here you can see that Python has started on port number 8000. Now you can check the IP address of Kali Linux. So click open terminal and you can type ifconfig. Your browser. So let me show you that how you can access the file and directories inside your network using this Python server. So now the browser, you can type the IP address of Kali Linux port number of Python 8000 and hit enter. So you can see here that you are able to access the directory of root folder of Kali Linux. It can be done in any system of that network. For example, if there is another window in any other system, so I can also access that directory using this Python server. So using Python server, you can access the directories of Kali Linux from anywhere inside your network, right? This is the work of Python server. You can also access the Apache server. For example, to start Apache, you can type systemctl space start Apache 2 and hit enter. So here it is. So you have started Apache server inside Kali Linux. You can use Apache server if you want to host any application inside your Kali Linux operating system. So that's why you can stop it. You can type here systemctl stop Apache 2, hit enter, and here it is. You have stopped it. So that's how these are some basic services inside Kali Linux that we are going to use inside this course, and these services will be helpful inside next videos. If we talk about the section summary, then first of all, in this section we have learned about various file commands, then directory commands, then chain commands, and finally we have learned how to manage the services inside Kali Linux operating system. So this is all about this section. In the next section, we are going to learn about information gathering using Kali Linux. Thank you so much.